This is the cleaning and maintenance video for the 820MO organ bath system. These are durable and long-lasting systems, and with proper care, you can perform daily experiments for many years. We will cover daily cleaning procedures as well as more in-depth cleaning procedures and ways to properly maintain the system. At the conclusion of your experiment, remove the tissue and empty the chamber of your buffer. Fill the chamber to the edge with 8% acetic acid. Let it sit for a few minutes and use a cotton swab to rub the sides of the chamber. Do not exert any force on the force transducer or the mount connected to the force transducer when cleaning the chamber. In order to keep the gas line clear of any blockages, keep the gas on until you have finished your water washes. Empty the bath of the 8% acetic acid and wash several times with double distilled water. Wipe up any remaining buffer or water with a paper towel. This should be enough for most daily cleaning procedures. If a hydrophobic reagent was used, the first steps might not be enough to properly clean the chambers. You can use 96% ethanol or a weak detergent solution. To clean more resistant or toxic chemicals, fill the chambers with 1 molar hydrochloric acid for 1 to 2 minutes. In the most severe cases, we would recommend using 3 molar nitric acid for no more than 2 minutes. In any of these circumstances, no matter what was used to clean the chambers, make sure you thoroughly wash several times with double distilled water. We don't recommend the heavy cleaning procedures too often as these can damage the organ bath chambers. If you notice red or brown discolorations on your chamber sides or the supports, we have a detailed cleaning protocol in the cleaning and maintenance section of this user guide. Replacement procedures for the force transducer can also be found in the cleaning and maintenance section of the user guide. After your cleaning, make sure that there is still clear grease surrounding the arm that comes out of the transducer housing. You can also protect the transducer from any liquid by adding grease where the transducer housing meets the chamber. Any liquid that enters the transducer can severely damage this piece of equipment. Make sure to use the clear grease when adding any grease around the transducer. If you notice that the linear slide starts to become stiff, you can back the slide all the way out and add some of the brown petroleum-based grease in order to lubricate the slide. For more information on the 820MO system, please refer to the DMT website or additional resource videos.